Hey guys, what is up? It's Amy and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a how to clean your oh my god, focus. So today's video is going to be a how to clean your kanken / how I clean my kanken. So I'm going to obviously show you guys kind of before pictures / videos of how my backpack looked before I started cleaning it, and it made such a huge transformation and it looks so much better now and I'm super happy. So before we start cleaning, we're going to need to get our supplies, and the first thing that you're going to need is some laundry detergent, which is in our laundry room. So let's go there real quick. Okay, so for laundry detergent we have a couple different choices, but I'm going to be using this one here. So this is a plant-based detergent. Because it's not toxic when it goes down the drain, it's not going to harm the environment as much, so we're going to be using this one. So the next thing you're going to need is a brush of some sort, and I will actually be using a toothbrush, and the reason for this is you want something that's soft and something that's not going to damage the fabric. So I wanted to just use a toothbrush. This is just an old toothbrush that I actually dropped. Focus. Okay, so welcome to my workstation. We've got my backpack here, which as you can see is super freaking messy. It's like brown, the bottom is really bad, the back is somehow even worse. I'm really happy that I chose to get yellow because this is such a cute color and it's something that really matches my aesthetic, but it is something that gets really dirty really quickly. So today we're going to be fixing that a little bit, just making it a little bit cleaner, because it is a little bit embarrassing to just walk around with a backpack that's like half brown half yellow. And the ingredients that we have, we're not baking today, but the supplies that we have is some laundry detergent, and this is actually plant-based, and then we have a toothbrush. So if you do have an old toothbrush, instead of throwing it away, you can definitely just like use it to clean things, especially like faucets. Like you can definitely get around some super small areas with toothbrushes, so put them to good use and don't have them go to waste. The final thing that we're going to need is some warm water, so let me just get that real quick and we can begin our cleaning adventure. So you want to use lukewarm water. I didn't feel like just running the faucet for too long. This is kind of like room temperature. So with all of our ingredients, we're going to go through the different steps you can take to clean up your backpack and make it sparkle and almost like brand new. Why are you looking at me? Please continue on. So the first thing we're going to need to do, of course, is to clean everything out of it. You don't want to be like getting things wet, obviously. The inside isn't super bad. It's pretty clean on the inside. It's mostly just the outside bottom part here. Even on the inside is like, it's turned basically gray. I'm gonna start by cleaning the inside just in case the laundry detergent has like some kind of reaction. I doubt it will. It's basically just like plants. So with the laundry detergent, I'm just gonna put some of it into our water. See if that's good enough. Oh my god, it's getting red. As you can see, after we put in the laundry detergent, it's just a little bit soapy, and that's exactly what you need to start cleaning. Too much laundry detergent could ruin the fabric, so just put enough so that's like soapy, just like this. Okay, so once again, starting from the inside, I'm just going to be just kind of scrubbing it with this soapy water, and you want to make sure that you kind of start in small spaces. As you can see right here, we just have this little ink spot. I'm just gonna scrub over it as hard as I can to get as much of the ink off of it as possible.
This is how boys are in quarantine?
Bored in the house, right?
Okay, I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the house and I'm in the house bored.
No. What? Bored in the do your essay. You probably have an essay or some work to do.
Oh, I don't want to be called like this. Ooh, I definitely prefer standing up for some reason. This is basically what it looks like after I've been scrubbing the bottom, and this is such an improvement from what it looked like before. You can tell that's a little bit cleaner, and we're just going to be rinsing this using our water, of course. I plan on doing all of this in this room because I obviously have to film it, but obviously if I was cleaning, I would probably just go to a bathroom. And I think I'm going to do like one more round of scrubbing. As you can see, it's a little bit cleaner than it was before, but you can clearly tell that there's still some of like the dark marks on here. So I'm just going to do a little bit more scrubbing, and then when this looks a little bit cleaner, we're going to move on to the front. Just another tip, whenever you hit spots that are super dirty, what I was doing was I put a little bit of I just put some laundry detergent in this cup, and whenever I hit those spots, I just like dip my toothbrush into it and then get to scrubbing in that specific area, and this just kind of makes it a little bit more concentrated so you can really get the dirt out. Okay, go play. Okay, so we have a little bit of a change in strategy. I was doing the toothbrush for a while, but it was getting a little bit frustrating because of course it's so small. And I looked through a bathroom and I found this brush here. Basically, you just want to get a brush that is soft, and this one has soft bristles, and you don't want anything that's super scratchy because that's going to ruin your backpack, obviously. So I found this brush that I'm using instead, and as you can see, it's getting super soapy. I'm just kind of scrubbing it, and I'm still working on the inside right now. We have now moved on to the front of it. It's looking absolutely disgusting, basically just like brown and super dirty. But I'm just kind of scrubbing it down. Been putting a lot of the laundry detergent on it just to make sure that it's nice and soapy for getting rid of all of the dirt. As you can see, the clear difference between this is where I'm brushing and this is where I haven't brushed yet, and it definitely is making a big difference in really brightening it up and making it the color that it's supposed to be. Okay, so I've now wet and rinsed it a little bit. As you can see, it's pretty wet. Oh my god, look at how clean the bottom looks. That's so crazy. So now the next part that I'm going to be doing is this front pocket, and as you can see, it's kind of like the similar dirty dark brown color, and we're just gonna clean that up and make it look brand new almost. Okay, this is actually kind of gross. Oh my god, focus. In these corner pieces of the backpack, as you can see, it's just so dirty and super brown and messed up, and this is the perfect place to whip out your toothbrush because it's so small. It can kind of get into those little crevices, so definitely recommend using a toothbrush to get into those little corners, and this is especially great for when you're washing the inside. And I'll definitely have to kind of scrub the inside of the backpack. Kind of over here, as you can see, it's super dirty, and the reason is I put my pens and pencils in here, so okay, so after scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing, this is the finishing result of the backpack. As you can see, it's super darn clean compared to how it was before. There's definitely still some dark marks there's like one right here that's super dark. I think that was ink, and once again on the other side I believe that was also ink, but there's really not much I can do about that. And then there's another one here that I explicitly remember making literally when I just first got the backpack, and that one is also ink. So other than the ink marks, the backpack looks so darn clean. And this is the back, if you guys, oh my god, it's super clean compared to how it was earlier. I'm so happy that I took some time to just sit and clean my backpack. And if you have nothing else to do with yourself, just like sit down, clean your backpack. You can, I watched a lot of YouTube videos while I was doing it. I believe it took me like an hour because it was literally so dirty, and it was just nice to be able to like clean it. And I did scrub a little bit too hard, especially with this front part. So as you can see, the color is a little bit faded. It does look better than brown. I recommend you to not scrub super hard because it is going to ruin your backpack. And I also decided not to like put any bleach or anything, so I don't recommend for you guys to use any harsh detergents or anything like that, because that could just end up ruining your backpack for no good reason. So just a recap for how I cleaned it. I got out a soft brush, some mild laundry detergent, and some warm water, and just went to scrubbing, making sure not to scrub too hard. There are places that I scrubbed a little bit too hard and the color came off. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and I give you guys some value in learning how to clean your kanken or any kind of backpack that you might have. Kankens are supposed to last a long time, so I think cleaning it and having good upkeep on it is going to help you kind of use it for a long time, which is always more sustainable. So be sure to clean your backpack and keep it in good condition while you have it so that you don't have to buy a new backpack super early. Oh, focus on me. So that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, of course, like it because it shows the algorithm that this video is amazing, which I think it is, so you should like it as well. Also comment down below any other video ideas you have or just any suggestions for this channel or any other comments that you have. Also subscribe to this channel because I've been working so hard, so I just want people to validate me. Also, I'm trying to reach 1,200 subscribers by the end of the year, so help me reach that goal by subscribing. We're super close to 2,000, which is going to be a huge milestone because I hit 1,000 I believe 2 years ago, and now I've been putting a lot of effort, so I think we're going to be able to hit 2,000 in like the next couple of weeks. So definitely subscribe to help me reach that. I will also have my social media link down below, so you can follow me on Twitter and Instagram. On Twitter I post more like politics related things. I am studying political science, so that makes sense. And then on Instagram I have more like lifestyle / outfit pictures, so you can follow me on Instagram for content more related to that. But that was it for today's video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.